Good morning everyone, good morning grade 3. Welcome back to study. This is Mr. Islam from Saudi Private School, and today inshallah we'll take chapter 10 review, and this is week 10. Please, my fabulous students, please study hard. So before we start, open page 619 and 620. Good. So this is chapter 10 review, and first of all I will start with vocabulary check. And we have 5 definitions, as you know, as you can see here. First definition is equivalent fractions. First one is equivalent fractions. Second is denominator. Third is fraction, again fraction, numerator, and unit fraction. And the question here, draw lines to match each with its definition. Good. First one is equivalent fraction. If you look at here, as you can see, equivalent fraction, for example, if we have a 2 circle and the first one divided into 2 equal parts and the second divided into 4 equal parts. So I will color the first one part from 2 parts, yes, and here I will color 2 parts. The same parts, yes. So this is 1/2, and second one 2 from 4 in all, so 2 out of 4. So equivalent fractions, a fraction that have the same value. So 2 over 4 here, 2 over 4, 2 out of 4, and here 1 out of 2. But the same part here, if you compare between them, so 2 over 4 and 1 over 2 are equal. So equivalent fraction are fractions that have the same value. So this is this. Excellent. Denominator. So 2 here is called numerator and 4 here is called denominator. The number down or below, it's called denominator. So the number below the bar in a fraction and the part of the fraction that tells the total number of equal parts. So the total number of equal parts here 2. So you write 2 down, so 2 is called denominator. And the total number of equal parts here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4, you write 4 down and 2 down, so 4 and 2 are called denominator. So denominator, the number below the bar, and this is bar, this is called bar in a fraction, and the part of the fraction that tells the total number of equal parts. Excellent. A fraction, one like 1 over 2 and 2 over 4 and 1 over 3, 1 over 2. It's a number again. So a fraction is a number that represents a part of a whole or a part of a set. So here 1 part from 2 parts, 1 from 2, and here 2 from 4. So a number that represents part of a whole or part of a set. Again, this is a fraction, a number, like 1, 2, 3. Good. Numerator, as I said, the number above, like 1 and 2. So a number above the bar in a fraction, or the part of the fraction that tell how many of the equal parts are being represented. So any number is written up the bar, so it's a numerator. Last definition is unit of fraction. Unit of fraction. Any fraction with a numerator 1, 1 over 6, 1 over 10, 1 over 2. So all these fractions are called unit of fraction. So any fraction has 1 as a numerator is called unit of fraction. So 1 out of 2, 1 out of 3, 1 out of 4, 1 over 5, 1 over 6. So these are called unit of fraction. Excellent. Next question. Write how many equal parts, and this is the first part of the question. And second part of the question, shade one part and write its unit fraction. So we have 3 parts of the question. First, write how many equal parts. So here 1, 2, 3. So how many equal parts here? 3 equal parts. And shade one part. So shade one part. And here 3 equal parts. And the unit fraction, it will be 1 shaded part from 3. So 1 over 3. Unit of fraction. As I said, the last question, any fraction has 1 above is called unit of fraction. What about this? By yourself, 1 minute. Excellent. So first part, write how many equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. And second part of the question, shade one part. So shade one part. And then write a unit of fraction. So 1 from what? 1 from 6. 1 over 6. So a unit fraction is 1 over 6. Excellent. Next question. Or next page. Write the missing numerator or denominator to solve or to show the shaded part. So here, as you can see, we have 4 stars and the 3 are colored from them. 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 up. And how many stars in all? So 4. 3 out of 4, or you can say 3/4. And here we have leaves, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 leaves. And here, how many are green? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 out of 6. Or you can say 4/6. Question number 10. Write the point that represents the fraction 6 over 8. Again, write the point represent 6 over 8. I will use a number line. This is called number line. This is called what? Number line. Excellent. So, the distance from 0 to 1, I will divide it into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 0 over 8, and 0 over 8 equals 0. 0 divided by anything equal 0. And here 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, and 4 over 8. After 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and 8 over 8. 8 over 8 equals what? 1. But the question here writes the point that represents a fraction 6 out of 8. Where is 6 out of 8? And put a point here. This is 6 out of 8. It's a C. Good, excellent. Complete each number sentence to show equivalent fraction. Again, this definition is equivalent fraction. Excellent. Two models, as you can see. The first one divided into 4 equal parts, and the second one divided into 8 equal parts. So, here 2 from 4. So, 2 out of 4. And here, how many shaded parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 from 8. Are the two shaded parts equal or not? Yes, equal. If you compare between the first model and second one, it will be the same shaded part, as you can see. So 2 over 4 equal 4 over 8, yes, and they are called equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Question number 12 by yourself. I'll give you 1 minute. Excellent. So 1, 2, 3. So and 2 shaded parts. So 2 out of, excellent, 3. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shaded parts. And how many in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 4 out of 6. 2 over 3 and 4 over 6. If you compare between the two shaded parts, they are equal or they are same. So the two fractions are called equivalent fraction. Question number 13, from 13 to 17 as a homework. Please, grade 3, study hard and hope you are good today, inshallah.